Aspartate aminotransferase, also known as AST. Aspartate transaminase is an enzyme that catalyzes the transfer of amino group. It is also known as serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase. It is also known as SGOT because of the reaction catalyzed by this enzyme that it catalyzes the transfer of amino group between glutamate and oxaloacetate. So this is the whole reaction for the function of the AST, as AST is an enzyme, aspartate aminotransferase, that catalyzes the transfer of amino group between the glutamate and oxaloacetate. And oxaloacetate, after receiving the amino group, it will become aspartate, and glutamate, after giving its amino group to oxaloacetate, it becomes alpha ketoglutarate. It is an open chain reaction catalyzed by the AST. As it is a reversible reaction as the aspartate amino transferase. There is the transfer of amino group from the aspartate to the oxoglutarate, or in this case, oxoglutarate is the alpha ketoglutarate. This is a keto acid containing the keto group and the carboxyl group. So aspartate aminotransferase, as this enzyme, there is the transfer of amino group from the aspartate. So the amino group will be transferred to the oxoglutarate. This keto group will receive the amino group, and this oxoglutarate will become the glutamate. And this aspartate is the amino acid. When it will lose its amino group, when it will transfer its amino group, this aspartate will become oxaloacetate. And this oxaloacetate is the intermediate product of the Krebs cycle and involved in the generation of the energy. While this glutamate is an amino acid, it will be utilized in the synthesis of the amino acids or proteins, or it may be used in the metabolism for the removal of the nitrogen. As this reaction is also known as serum glutamate oxaloacetate transaminase, this enzyme is also known as because there is the production of the glutamate and oxaloacetate after the transfer of amino group from the aspartate to the oxoglutarate. Then there will be the formation of glutamate and oxaloacetate. And again, if there is the transfer of this glutamate from the amino group is transferred from the glutamate to oxaloacetate, again it will give rise to the aspartate and oxoglutarate. And this reaction is catalyzed by this enzyme aspartate aminotransferase. So AST, also known as SGOT, they are present inside this function is performed inside the cells. So the organs that are involved in which these enzymes are present and perform their specific functions, they are present inside the liver cells, they are also present inside the kidney, they are present inside the brain cells, and they are also found in the muscles. And very less and very smaller amounts, this enzyme is also present inside the RBCs. And in case of hemolysis of the red blood cells, this AST level is usually raised. So this AST level, as is found in these organs, AST is an organ-specific enzyme. It is present inside these organs, but in case very little amount is present inside the blood. In the blood circulation, they are present in very minute amount. But in case of any, they are normally present inside these organs, inside the cells. They are present also inside the liver cells, but as ALT is more specific for the liver cells, but AST, besides of the liver, they are also present in the other organs. So when there is any injury to these cells, to these organs, then what will happen that in case of necrosis or any damage or infection to these cells, then these enzymes are released into the blood circulation. Otherwise, in normal circumstances, their level, this enzyme AST level is present more specifically in the organs, in the tissues, and perform their functions, transamination reactions inside the tissues. But in case of any damage or in case of any injury to these tissues, to these cells, it will leak out into the blood circulation, and their level will be raised inside the blood. So the increased level of this enzyme inside the blood is the indication of the disease or damage to the tissues. So the AST level, the normal value of the AST inside the blood is 10 to 30 units per liter. As for the ALT, it was 10 to 40 units per liter. So this is the normal value, normal range that it will be present inside the plasma inside the blood. If the AST level is elevated or increased above this level, so it can be used as an identification marker for the diagnosis of different diseases. As AST is more specific for the myocardial infarction as compared to the ALT was specific for the liver. AST is also present in the liver cells, and in case of damage or injury, their level may be elevated inside the blood. But AST is more specific for myocardial infarction. As in myocardial infarction, the ALT level starts to increase after 6 to 8 hours, and then it reaches to the peak level. It increases very much high at is from 18 to 24 hours, and then after 5 to 6 days it becomes normal. After prognosis or after following the treatment, from 4 to 5 days their levels tends to become normal. So besides myocardial infarction, the AST level is also elevated in the liver diseases, jaundice, and cirrhosis of liver. So this is same for the ALT, as ALT and AST both are present inside the liver cells. Um, so the AST will be the same as for the ALT, that in case of liver diseases, like in case of viral and toxic hepatitis, the value will be increased 30 to 50 times, that it will be almost from 500 to 1500 units per liter. In case of alcoholic hepatitis, the value will be from 100 to 300. So an AST, just like ALT, is also used for the differential diagnosis of the jaundice, like it will differentiate between the obstructive jaundice and hemolytic jaundice. In case of obstructive jaundice, AST level will be high from the normal, and in case of hemolytic jaundice, AST level will be normal. And their value AST is also increased. Their level inside the blood will also be increased in case of the cirrhosis of liver, as AST will be present inside the liver and perform their function, but in case of cirrhosis, these AST enzyme will be leaked out inside the blood, and their level will be elevated inside the blood. So AST, as ALT and AST both are present inside the liver, but ALT is more specific for the liver, but AST is present in the liver, and besides the liver, it also present in the other organs. It is also present in the heart. It is also present inside the muscles, kidneys, and small amounts in the RBC. So AST increased level is also be used as a marker for the other diseases, as in acute pancreatitis, AST level will also be elevated. In renal failure, or if there is any disease related to the kidney, this AST will also be leaked out inside the blood, and the level will be increased inside the blood. In case of heart attack, or in case of congestive heart failure, myocardial infarction, this AST level will also be increased. And in case of recent surgery, and in case of severe burns, the AST level will also be high. And in case of muscle injury, is also the AST level will be elevated. So AST is also used as a diagnostic marker for these diseases, for these abnormalities. But ALT is only specific for the liver, while AST, besides of the liver, it is also specific for the other organs and the diseases related to the other tissues.